So today we're gonna be making a super fire West Coast R&B beat right here, right now in FL Studio. I can definitely hear, Roddy Ricch, Ella Mai, Dolla, that kind of vibe, just super vibey, like So thank you guys so much for all the support. Let's get to work. Yeah, I like that. It's a little different. So let's go ahead and put that on the first mixer track. I'm just gonna cut the bottom out. I kind of like the top end, man. It sounds pretty nice. All right, let's go and layer this up. I'm gonna go ahead and bring in analog, man. I want to get right to it. I don't want to play no games today. All right, let's control down on that though. It's hard. See where we at. Let's bring a multi-arp in here, man. Copy paste. What we're gonna do, take these bottom notes out. Third mixer track, and we're gonna go ahead and throw some Valhalla straight away on that. And then let's throw a pancake on there so we can get some movement in the ears. So we got. All right, let's go -2. All right, so this analog lab, let's change it. I think I want it to be a little bit more pad-like. So let's find a better sound. Ooh, hell yeah. See what we got. Yeah. See what we got. I think I'm gonna take it down like 2. Sounded really good, but there's one sound that's fighting with us here, and it's this analog lab. So I'm gonna go ahead and change it real quick, and then we're gonna get to the drums. Much better. Oh. I love making beats, bro. What the hell, man? I was not expecting this to come out like this, to be honest, bro. What? This is hard, bro. All right, let's solo this out. I'm gonna do some work to this real quick. I just want to put a pancake on this. What? All right, and last but not least here, we're gonna go ahead and add the good old growler, and then from Omni, and it's gonna be a vibe. Then we're gonna arrange this thing, man. I really like how this came out. Like, I wasn't sure at first, but once I brought the drums in, it was like, go Nate, it's your birthday. You gonna make the beats, it's your birthday. All right, so beat is done. It's arranged. It is mixed. A couple things I want to show you guys before we listen to it. I just added a riser, a basic riser right here in the beginning, in the intro. The only other thing is I wanted to show you guys, of course, on the master track, we've got the ARTG, and then we got the L2 Ultra Maximizer. So let's go ahead and listen to this thing. All right, got the intro nice and easy. Brought in the growler. It's real smooth. Yeah. Riser, quick drop. First one. Real simple. Yeah. Quick switch. Drop off. Yeah. Quick bass. Last bar. Oh yeah. Here comes the hook. Get ready for it. Yeah. Chopped up that sample midway just to break it up a bit. No drums. Kick back. Hey, hey, hey. Yeah. And that's it for this one, y'all. Man, such a vibe. You know, the elements in here, as you can see, it's very light. This beat is very light, you know. Everything sounds pretty well together, and I'm just overall happy with how it came out. And as always, man, I appreciate you guys for sticking with me, and I'll catch you in the next one.